Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. So as of now, we have completed Matplotlib Library and now in today's session, we are going to revise the concept we have learned. Okay, uh, you can see the graph. We have learned about all these things. Okay, first to install Matplotlib, you have to write pip install Matplotlib. This is for the very first time. Once you have installed, you can simply import to use all of its functions. Okay, so import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. PLT is a nickname. You can give any other name, but whenever you call any function from Matplotlib, you have to use by PLT or by the name you have given. Okay. And now the basic usages, we have already learned about these things in detail. First one is line plot. Line plot means these are data points called markers connected by a straight line. And it is mainly used to show the trends over time or other continuous data. Like it is increasing or decreasing. That is what was line plot. Next we studied about scatter plot. Here scatter plot means it is same like line plot but markers are not connected by line. Okay, each point represents the observation in the dataset and it is mainly used to find the relationship between two variables. Okay, so the difference between these two is line plot is connected, scatter plot is not connected. Okay, next we studied about bar graph and bar chart. This is mainly used to find the frequency and it is displayed by using bars of different heights or different lengths. Similar kind of histogram, but there is a difference. Histogram bars are connected with each other. Okay, so histogram, the data is divided into bins like intervals, and we count how many number of observations fall into each bin. This is also used to find the frequency. Okay. Next, we studied about box plot. Box plot is a distribution data based on a 5 number summary. Minimum value, first quartile Q1 or we can say 25th percentile, median 50th percentile, third quartile 75th percentile and maximum value. So from a simple graph we can find all these numbers and we can even plot the mean value also. Okay. Why box plots are mainly used? To find the outliers. Outlier means those values which are far from the mean values. And those outliers create bias in modeling. So our first job is to find those outliers and remove them. Now to find the outliers, box plot helps a lot. Okay. Next we studied about pie plot. This looks like a pizza where each slice represents a category's contribution. Okay. So we have studied about all these things, we have coded and we have visualized all these things in our last series of classes. Now next we will apply our learnings while doing projects. Okay, bye. Happy learning.